Welcome back everyone. Today we got the Samsung Galaxy A05. A05. It's the same device we worked before that the screen was freezing or not touching. So we fixed this device by replacing the new screen. And I want to show you how to replace a new screen LCD to the Samsung A05. So I'm going to remove the screen from the top. At the top, we have the gap where is the ear speaker. So we can start from there to remove the screen. I want to remove the screen without making any damage to it, so maybe I can fix it. As we all know, it should be some lines that is broken, so that's why the screen is not working. I don't know these lines or I could fix the screen. So I kept the screen for any updates on the screen, how to solve it. Removing company screen could take some long time, so you have to be patient to remove the glue. This glue is not easy to be removed, but if you use some alcohol, it will be removed easy. So as always, you have patience or you can damage it, put something under it with metal something, and you can remove it easily. So you can see I'm inserting the plastic under the screen. I don't want to put it in between the screen, otherwise it could be broken or damaged. So we almost removed it. I took long time. Some of the video has been cut down, so not everything in this video, but I recorded the part 2 to see how to remove the screen and put another one. Also, I want to mention that you can buy a new screen with the frame, so you don't have to do that. When it comes with the frame, so you just remove the housing and put another one. It will be somehow easier for you to repair this device. But this is the original frame, and also I bought original screen, but it doesn't seem that original. It's original, but not that original. Original made from China and not from the Samsung company. Anyway, this is the original we have. You will see at the end the quality of the screen, but it's not that bad. It's almost the same as the original one. I'm going now to use the heat gun to remove the last part of the screen. I don't want to insert the plastic piece down at the connectors of the screen flex cable. So that's why I use the heating gun with 2 Celsius degree. That's it. Alright, the screen is off. Now we are going to put the new one. But before we do that, we should now remove any dust or any adhesive from the old frame. It's very necessary. There is no broken glass because the screen wasn't broken. We just replaced it with the new working one. It's important always to remove the adhesive, so we put a new adhesive, and then the screen can fit in place correctly, and it will be flat with the frame, not the screen will be 1 millimeter up to that frame. You will see that if you put non-original screen, and also if you don't clean that dust and that adhesive. Make sure everything is okay, and then we can consider subscribing. Alright, I'm going to continue. I'm making sure everything is clean and perfect. I speed this video a little bit so you won't have to wait a long time to see that cleaning. Alright, we finished now. This is the new original screen. Comes with plastic. Alright, let's now glue the frame. Just a small line of that adhesive, you can see it's fit on the frame. Just a small line. Be careful not to cover the ear speaker, the sensors. You can see where I cut. There is a sensor there. Alright, the other line. You can continue to the ear speaker and then you cut. Alright, this is enough. Now we can put the new screen. Remove any stickers on it. There is stickers on the front camera. Sorry, I didn't show you that on the video, but there is a sticker on the front camera. Alright, start putting from the down and then to the top. Push down and that's it. The screen fit in place perfectly. You can remove any adhesive left now. Alright, let's now continue to assemble the device back. In these models of the Galaxy, it seems that the flex cable is too long, and that's why maybe that flat was broken lines. They should make it a shorter, about 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter. You can see we don't have any space to put that, but I put it down where is the battery. Alright, put that the housing, and now you can put the screws and finish this. You can see how the flex cable is too long. Not that too long, but it's long. You can't put the back cover unless you put it like that. So bring sticker and put it down. Where is the battery? It's important to do that. Maybe that causing the phone, the screen to be damaged over time. When the flex cable not in the position right, over time it got damaged somehow. So put it in a good way that will maybe prevent any problems in the future or on this new screen. So sometimes we should find the solution, and maybe this is the solution to prevent any other screen to be damaged, like the factory screen got damaged. Alright, put all the screws down and that's it. We have fixed this device. Also, don't forget to put adhesive when you close the back. Alright, we are going to end. We're gonna thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.